Silverlight 3 has a lot of new features. The biggest feature, I think, is IIS smooth streaming, enabling high-quality, high-definition video experiences on the web. We also announced out-of-browser capabilities, which will enable you to take an application and run it, as the name implies, out of the browser, so it behaves more like a desktop application. And it works whether you're connected to the internet or not now. So we have support for running it if you're completely disconnected from the internet. We also introduced a new feature with Expression Blend 3 called Sketchflow, and that's been extremely well received by customers. Basically what Sketchflow enables you to do is take those prototypes that traditionally you would throw away and not bring into the application development process. You can prototype an application, how it's going to behave, how it's going to function, and keep that prototype in the development process. Basically, we've always had a fantastic developer designer workflow, and we're enabling those that build prototypes to enter that workflow as well. Silverlight 3 appeals to the customers that wanted to bring the highest quality video experiences to the web. With smooth streaming, the video quality will adapt to a user's internet connection. So you're able to adjust the video quality if the person's internet connection starts to degrade. So for broadcasters like NBC Sports that are trying to deliver the highest quality video to the web, this is a very important feature to them. This enables them to deliver the highest quality content to their end users. NBC was very successful with Wimbledon, which used IIS smooth streaming, and France Television's actually used IIS smooth streaming for the Tour de France. Adoption is increasing rapidly. We estimate that, well, on the client side, about 1 in 3 PCs currently have Silverlight installed. It's one of the fastest growing browser plugins in the history of the internet, so incredible adoption on the client side. In terms of the number of developers, we estimate we have about 400,000 developers and designers currently using Silverlight, building Silverlight applications, building rich media experiences, and we have about 6 million .NET developers worldwide, so we have an incredible runway to grow the Silverlight adoption in terms of development. In terms of some of the new customers, we have a lot of new customers. We announced at the launch Continental is using Silverlight to build a line of business applications. We have MGM, which is using Silverlight for their Stargate franchise. And we also announced NBC Sports. You know, NBC used Silverlight for the Summer Olympics in Beijing. They're going to use it for the Winter Olympics in Vancouver. And they announced they're rolling out Silverlight for a lot more of their sporting events going forward.